Country road, please take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home.
Are you planning to visit Dahilayan at Manolo Fortich Bukidnon, but you are on a tight budget and looking for affordable accommodation near Dahilayan Adventure Park? I highly recommend Saddle Ridge Camp and Cowboy Inn, the best place to stay if you want to experience Dahilayan but with a tight budget. Saddle Ridge is located at Manolo Fortich Bukidnon, a few walk away from the zipline and forest park of Dahilayan.
Mountain air blowing like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, West Virginia. Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. All my memories gather around her, minus late.
For as low as 2,800 pesos, this arch cabin is good for 5 person, good for your family banding.
Painted on the sky, a misty taste of moonshine, she drop in my eye. Country road, please take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, West Virginia. Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. I hear the voices in the morning, how she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far, far away. Driving down the road, I got a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, whoa, country road, please take me home unto the place I belong, West Virginia, West Virginia. Mountain Mama, take me home, a country road, country road, please take me home unto the place I belong.
So tara, ano pang inaantay nyo? Book your weekend at Saddle Ridge Camp at Dahilayan, Manolo Fortich Bukidnon.
Please take me home, the country road, take me home, country road.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Architect Studio by Architect Gerald Patrick Haraya. Congrats, Gerald.